Hello, my name is Callum, and I'm going to talk you through the new Favorite Tools and Keywords feature in Oasys 19. As the functionality of the Oasys suite has grown over time, the number of available tools and keywords in Oasys Primer has grown considerably. To make it easier to find the features that you use regularly, from version 19 of Oasys Primer, you can select a subset of tools or keywords to fill your own favorites menu. The Favorites menus are denoted by the star tabs on each of the Tools and Keywords panels. You can edit your favorite Tools or Keywords menu by pressing the Custom button. You can choose which buttons will appear in your Favorites menu by selecting them from the list on the left and pressing Add, or by selecting them from the list on the right and pressing Remove. To change the order of the buttons in your Favorites menu, select the one you want to move in the list and use the arrow buttons at the top. Pressing Apply will update your Favorites menu to match your list here. The Favorite Tools menu can contain any button from the Core Tools menu, including sub-tools like the Hick Area Calculator and Dummy Finger Positioning. The Favorite Keywords menu can contain any top-level keyword from the Volumes 1 and 2 and Volume 3 tabs. Pop-ups are mapped on buttons to allow access to sub-keywords such as Boundary Prescribed Motion, Database Cross-Section, and Node Transform. You can save your favorites menus for future Primer sessions by saving them to your Preferences file when you press Apply. There is also a separate preference to control whether the Favorites menu is the default Open tab for each of the Tools and Keywords panels when launching Primer. If this is not set, Primer will launch with the Core Tools and Volumes 1 and 2 Keywords tabs open by default, as in previous versions. With these preferences saved, you can quickly recreate your desired setup, whatever device you're working on, simply by bringing your OA pref file with you. Thank you for watching.